In this lesson, I will explain to you how to use concatenate and ampersand function in Microsoft Excel. See, I have made a very simple data for you, and sometimes we need to join two cells. You can see here we have two column B and C. In column B we have first name and column C we have last name. If suppose we want to join first name and last name, then we have to use this concatenate function. Now how to use it I will show you here, but keep in mind in Microsoft Excel formulas always start with equal to sign. So equal to sign, and then you have to write down concatenate. As soon as you will write down con, you will see the formulas related to con. You have to select the first one, which is concatenate, and just follow the syntax text 1 and text 2. So we want to join one and second column. Similarly, you can join as many columns as you want or as many cells as you want. So Ash and the last name, after comma we have a last name Williams. Close the parenthesis, press enter. You will see Ash Williams is there in one cell. Drag, you can drag and you will see all names, first name and last names are joined in one column now. But here you can see that there is no space, so it will be difficult for the audience to read where the first name ends and where the last name starts. So if you want to give some space between the first name and the last name, so what you have to do, again you have to start with equal to sign, concatenate, select the first option, and here we have Ash, right? Click on Ash, then press comma. After comma, press shift and double quotation. You have to give double quotation here and double quotation, then press the space bar, close this double quotation, comma, and then click on Williams, close the parenthesis, enter. Now you can see we have a space between first name and last name. When you will drag, you will see all the names are there with first name and last name, and there is a space between them. Now same function I will show you with the help of ampersand. So see here again equal to, and then you have to press this, the first one, concatenate. See here, first we want to join first name and last name, so this is the first name. In the last example I said put comma, but now you have to press shift and number 7 on your keyboard. That is called the and symbol or the ampersand. Right after this you have to press the same double quotation, space bar, double quotation. In the last example I said put comma, now you have to give ampersand here. After ampersand the last name is there, close the parenthesis, and Ash William is there. See here, you can see again we have first and last name together, right? First and last name, there is a space between them. So if you want, you can use comma. If you want, you can use the ampersand. Right now, in this example, in this address, postal code, and city, I will show you if you want to add 2 or 3 or more columns or more cells, yes, you can do, right? Equal to and then concatenate. I will show you how to use comma, but same function you can do by using the ampersand, right? Why? Because when you will involve, you will learn more. So first is this address. Click on this address and then comma. After comma, double quotation, right? And then again comma, space and double quotation. Why? What is the meaning of this comma? Means after this address we can have comma, then postal code, then comma, and then Toronto, and so on, right? So here is, then we have to press after this a comma and then postal code. Same function, comma, right? Double quotation, comma, space, double quotation, comma, and then for city, same thing here, right? Comma, double quotation. Now if you want that Toronto and Canada, there should be hyphen. I do not want comma. It's up to you. Whatever symbol you want, you have to here give between the quotation and then this and comma and Canada and closed in parenthesis, enter. Now you can see this riverside, and then we have comma. Postal code, we have comma. But in Toronto and Canada, I used hyphen, whatever symbol you can use, right? If you forget what functions I have used here, so just click here in the function box or the formula bar. You can see that this is the comma, comma, right? And see quotation, comma, space, and then quotation. So same function you can use by using the ampersand. Instead of comma, use the ampersand. But between these quotation, you have to use comma, hyphen, whatever you want, how you want to see that these should be separated by each other. Now there is no need to write down on the next line. Just drag it here and you will see it is filled automatically. Right? How simple it is. Now it is your job to practice it. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.